Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing yet another Sephora haul. I know there have been so many hauls here on my channel lately and I'm so pumped about it. I'm so excited to show you all the brand new makeup I got once again. Honestly, I feel like throughout COVID, but especially like in this past new year, you know, like every other new year, kind of the launches plateau a bit. It's kind of a slower point of year. And like I said, through COVID, the launches weren't the same. And I feel like we're getting back to normalcy. Life is getting a little bit more normal. And with that comes all of these launches and I'm like in overload and I can't handle it and I need it all. So I got some really, really exciting makeup that I am super pumped to share with you. So if you're interested in finding out what I got in this Sephora haul, then keep on watching. So the first product that I got here today is one I'm very excited about, not only because it looks like an absolutely incredible product, claims look great, you know, the actual product itself is exciting, but also the hype. It's the hype that I am so excited about. I'm excited to test it and see if it lives up to its claims, to its hype. So this one I'm like a little bit behind on, but it's still really quite new, and that is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Sun-Kissed Glow Cream Bronzer. So I really, really like Charlotte Tilbury's bronzer. I love her Hollywood palette with the bronzer contour powder. One of my favorites. So smoothing to the skin, stunning. If this cream bronzer is going to be anything like that, plus it's cream, which if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with cream contour, cream blush, you know, all of that. It's going to be a hit. I have a feeling. So this is, as I said, a cream bronzer. It's supposed to boost hydration by 136% in an hour. So it's hydrating. The appearance of the skin is supposed to be smoother by 42%. It's humidity proof, sweat proof, and it's just supposed to be the best dang thing you've ever seen. So I'm excited, as I said, to test it. And very exciting news, I also got the NARS Laguna bronzing cream. So I'm also a big fan of the NARS Laguna bronzer powder, one of my favorite bronzer powders as well. And they have also come out with a cream bronzer. So two very well-known brands. They've now come out with a cream bronzer, and I'm so excited to review this one as well, as it just looks like it's going to be incredible too. It's supposed to give you that long-lasting second skin warmth with a natural looking finish, lock in moisture, visibly firm, and tone the complexion. I'm actually thinking of maybe doing like a comparison video, you know, side by side, one on one side, one on the other. Which one's better? Do we need them? Are they great like they claim to be? So I'm very pumped. Let's just take a look at the actual packaging. So the Charlotte Tilbury one I got in the shade Fair. Oh, Charlotte Tilbury, you just like, you know how to get me, man. Like, how can you not? Like, I will buy this just for the look of it. You know? I mean, it's $70 Canadian, so this better be the best dang bronzing cream you've ever seen. Look at that. How stinking beautiful. And then the NARS I got in the shade Laguna 1, which is the lightest. Comes in again, just as stunning, but just different. Yeah, I like the look of the Charlotte Tilbury. It looks a little more high-end and luxe, but it's also more expensive. So the next one is also a cream bronzer stick. Seriously guys, I have a problem. I mean, all of these came out at the same time and I needed to try them all. This one was also super affordable compared to the other two. So I'm like, what's another 25 bucks, you know? This is the LYS Beauty No Limits Cream Bronzer Stick. I've actually never tried anything from LYS Beauty, so I'm super pumped. And if, like I said, if you know me, you know I love a good cream bronzer. So this one is supposed to give you that vibrant sun-kissed glow year-round with a creamy bronzer stick that instantly brings depth and dimension to the face. Easy to blend, lightweight formula glides on the skin to create diffused, natural-looking shadow effect. Brings your favorite features to the forefront. It's formulated with smoothing skincare ingredients, multitasking bronzer radiates the complexion, leaving behind a healthy looking glow. It has green tea extract, watermelon seed extract, rose hip oil. So really great ingredients. I also like the look of this one. Really nice for like a stick bronzer. Beautiful. And again, 25 bucks. This is in the shade Motivate, which I believe was also the lightest shade. It just twists up. So another stunning cream bronzer that I'm super pumped to try. That one, I mean, we can't do 3 in one video, so that one will probably be in its own video. As I said, all these products will be tested, whether they're on their own individually or in a testing, you know, new products type of video. I also got one of Haus Labs by Lady Gaga's new products. So Haus Labs actually is a brand by Lady Gaga that's been around for quite a few years now, but they've actually rebranded and they've like discontinued everything they had before and completely rebranded. It's all new products. I honestly wanted to get so much more from the brand, but I mean, like, I only have so much money and I wanted other things, but I did have to grab this because these looked incredible. This is the Optic Intensity Eco eyeliner. The brand looks like it's going for a much more kind of like down the natural kind of clean road, which is cool to see. So these are supposed to be a clean, creamy gel-like eyeliner that deposits intense long-wearing color with every smooth stroke, waterproof. I actually got the white and I was so torn. I was gonna get both, but then I wanted to get other things, so I decided to get one, and then I couldn't choose between the white and the titanium, like silver. Oh, it looked so intense. If this one goes well, I definitely will be getting that one. Ooh, this is cool. It looks like it's like that like recycled material. I mean, if you're into very eco-friendly, very clean, you will probably love that. So on one side, it has a little brush, almost like a lip product. And on the other side, it has the pencil. So these look like they are so intense. They really do. Like, let's swatch it. Ooh, like look at how white that is. So if that could be that vibrant all day, I would love that for like graphic liners or even like really brighten up the waterline. So I'm very pumped because they look, and all of them looked so vibrant, so intense, rich. Ooh, I'm pumped to actually try it on the eyes. We also have the Fenty Beauty Poutsicle Hydrating Lip Stain. And it's supposed to quench the lips, bring a wet look, shine, and leave a soft stain. So be like hydrating, you know, give you that kind of glossy finish, but also stain the lips, which I think is perfect for summer. I like low maintenance in the summer. I like lightweight in the summer. And obviously, you know, a lot of us go for the more kind of dewy, glossy, hydrated, more radiant finish in the summer. So this is the packaging. I got it in the shade My Type, which is pink. Oh, I almost got that on my nose. I was curious if these smelled. No, they do not. So this is the applicator. They look quite intense, but they look really, really pretty. That's a really nice color. And the actual like application online, like when you see the lips, it looks so nice and stained and like that perfect, beautiful stained glass effect. So I'm really, really excited about that one. Plus, if it's hydrating, my lips always need some TLC. Another product I got is the Pat McGrath Labs Mini Eyeshadow Palette in Midnight Voyage. So this is new. I'm going to not open it. I just like hate opening these because it looks so pretty in this packaging. I'll wait until my review. So it's a mini eyeshadow palette. It has a more purple theme to it. It's absolutely stunning. And I love testing their mini stuff because it's a little more affordable. And Pat McGrath is some of the best eyeshadow you can get. So very, very high end, very luxe. So I'm also going to give this a good review. Oh, like take a look at these photos here, the swatches, the just the palette in general. Chef's kiss. And then I have one more product that I actually don't have in hand. So I'm recording this on Wednesday, the 15th. This video is going up tomorrow on the 16th, which the 16th today, when you are watching this, is the day that the Anastasia Beverly Hills Summer Palette comes out. And I'm actually, it's funny because I ordered it. When I went online, I had to grab the Charlotte Tilbury in store because they were out of stock in my shade online, and they had it in store in my local Sephora. I paid for it online and went and picked it up. And when I was doing that, I also noticed that the Anastasia Beverly Hills said it was available and in stock in that store. So I'm like, cool, I'll grab that while I'm there. And then I got an email saying that it actually wasn't in stock. So I think that was a glitch, because then I realized it's actually coming out today on the 16th. So I will be reordering it and grabbing that. So I wanted to include it in today's haul because it was supposed to be in today's haul. And I didn't want to wait a whole nother week to post this video, because I wanted to share this makeup with you and I wanted to start reviewing it. So I will just show you pictures so that you can kind of get an idea as to what it is. And then I will be doing a dedicated video to it. It's called the Nouveau palette. And it is an all-in-one palette for immediate effortless looks on the go to ultra glam. It's reinvented mattes and multi-dimensional metallics leave everything to your imagination with amped up neutrals, perfect pops of color, and a fresh green story that feels ethereal. The actual pans are supposed to be significantly larger, so you're supposed to get a lot more eyeshadow for your money, and it says reinvented mattes. So I believe the matte formula is brand new. I also just cannot get over this stinking color story, like the green with the pops of like peachy coral, that pop of purple, those metallics look stunning. I cannot get over it. It's one of the most beautiful palettes I've seen from ABH in a long time. I actually haven't ordered one of their eyeshadow palettes in a very long time, because I feel like I have quite a few of them and they just don't seem as exciting as they used to be. But this one, like, I needed now. So I will be reviewing that very, very soon. And yeah, that is everything that I got in this haul. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I can't wait to test these products and share my reviews with you guys. And yeah, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.